Estamos aquí con David Scheirman, que es el presidente de AES Global y el Global Concert and Rental Business de Bose. Thank you so much for your time. We would like to know specifically about Bose, which are all the new technology you have this year in Soundcheck Expo.
Sure. Well, we're very glad to be here. Soundcheck Expo is such a tremendous gathering of not just salespeople and customers, but people who love music and sound.
Yes.
That is what brings it together. Of course, Bose has a series of new product offerings on our stand in the room. My side of the business has to do with the live shows and the rental market segment worldwide. So here we have our Bose show match system with Delta Q technology, which is a compact line array system. And we have a number of other new products in our portable PA and our commercial sound side as well.
Okay, that's great. So thank you so much for being here in Soundcheck Expo, and we'll be showing in all our social media all Bose products, and hope to see you here.
Thank you.
Muchas gracias, esperamos verlos en Soundcheck Expo hoy domingo, mañana lunes y martes.